empirical formula problem, so you know what's coming. We go grams of each element, moles of each element, mole ratio. So we're given our amounts in percentages. So we assume we have 100 grams of the compound. That immediately converts these percentage values to grams. This means that we have 5.42 grams of hydrogen. We have 64.56 grams of carbon and 30.02 grams of iron. So we're going to multiply each by a conversion factor that converts grams to moles. So we divide by the atomic weight of each. And in this way we know how many moles of each element we have present. That results in 5.37 moles of hydrogen, 5.38 moles of carbon, and 0.538 moles of iron. It looks like we have 10 times as much iron as we do carbon and hydrogen. But let's go through the process. We'll divide each result by the least number of moles. Our result is as expected. Our ratio is hydrogen 10, carbon 10, iron 1. Let's put the metal at the start of the formula. So we have FeC10H10.